this is called a PU form. A PU form basically is what we use for filling the, rather fixing the frame. As you can see, it has a form inside. So you put in the nozzle, then you come and just apply pressure on this. Then you apply the pressure in between. You leave a small space in between the frame and the wall. Then you apply the pressure on it. Then it releases the foam around the frame. The normal way of putting frames is done normally just before the plaster. So when the wall is still bare, you come and put wall passes, that is the metals on the side of the frame. Two pieces up, two in the middle and two at the bottom. Then you place it in between the opening. Then after that, by that time you would have covered the frame with a polythene sheet. That's the black polythene sheet, or any sheet for that matter. Then you fix it, then you plaster the wall. So that one normally you do that. Then at the time of curing, you find that you are not able to safeguard the frame. Sometimes water will go on the frame. And if you want to maintain the frame natural color, then you may end up going an extra cost of doing the staining, using the mahogany stain, or rather just painting it, So this way, it's less messy when you do the form, and especially when you don't intend to do the repair. Like when you intend to do a repair, when maybe the wall is there, you want to remove it and return it. So this one, you can even use it immediately after you've done the first coat, you've done your skimming and everything, then you've done the first coat. But as we do it here, still it's not a mistake per se. So this one is less messy, it's much neater, and also you are able to really capture the square of the frame, and just the setting. It's much easier to do setting with this one than with the other one where you normally wrap the frame with the bag. The polythene paper normally interferes with the accuracy of the square of the frame. So because kind of an hindrance to you as you are, working with the square. But this one is easier because everything is laid bare. There is no hindrance. You just do your square, and then you get it done.